Hey Nathan, so I'm going to try to make this with my phone because it did not load. I'm so upset. I did all that great work. All right, so here is your problem, or a problem similar. And it's talking about creating histograms. So it says, the test scores of Ms. Jackson's 92 students are summarized in the table below. Construct and label a frequency histogram of the data with an appropriate scale. So they have given us on the y-axis, right, our vertical axis, the y-axis, they've given us the frequency or number of students. We have to plug in the test scores. And so since we're doing a histogram, we kind of have to build it. We've got to click and drag to make a rectangle. So let me go back up to the data. For two students, there are two students who scored 40 to 49. So the number of students is here. So let me try to, so 2 is down here at the bottom, and they scored 40 to 49. So I'm going to click in that far left box so I can get right next to the, okay, so how about I'll just do 2 boxes, or maybe I'll do 2 boxes per group. And then I'm going to type in 40 as my label down there, and then to 49. So 2 students scored 40 to 49. That's the number of students, that's their test score. And this is how you do it. But you need to keep the width of your rectangle the same. So this rectangle took up 1, 2 spots left to right. Does that make sense? And so you got to click in the further left box and drag to get to the other one. If you know how to click and drag, you should be okay. And then for the 10 students, there were 10 students that scored 50 to 59. So I'm going to go up here to where it says 10, right next to this block, but up to 10, and I'm going to click in the left side. There we go. It did it. But then I moved it 10. Good night. This is really 10 to... it's not letting me be great. All right, hold on. No, now it's telling me I shouldn't do that. All right, so I think we said 10, 50 to 59. There we go. So now I got my 2, because you have to have at least 2 as your width. And then I said 50 to 59, right? 50 to 59. Okay. And so you're going to go through, and you want to keep your bars the same width apart. And I like to just keep them lined up right next to each other. So then for 18, I have 60 to 69. So I'm going to go up here to where 18 is, because there's 18. And I want to get it right next to this. So I got 60 to 69. Okay, that didn't work like I wanted. I don't know, something's going on with my little device here. I'm at school right now, finishing up some things. So 18. Good night. Come on here. And this is going to be 60 to 69. So I will type that in, 60 to 69. Uh-oh. It's hard doing this and holding this phone. But I'm hoping you're getting the gist of it. Maybe I'll just trying to zoom a little bit. Okay. And then that's done. And then I got 70 to 79. How many people was that? 28. So I'll go up to 28 and I'll click. See, it just, let me see, click 28. And that's 70 to 79. So this is all you have to do. I know it sounded crazy, and if they didn't give you a video, it doesn't make sense. I just happened to play around with it to see what they wanted. 80 to 89, there's 22 of those kiddos. So remember to keep your bars the same width. If I made this 3, it wouldn't let it work. It has to be to scale. All right, 80 to 89, done. And then 90 to 99, and I just need 12. Ah. 90 to 99, 90 to 99. Done. And so I think I did everything right. Let me submit it. And what does it say? Yay, that's how you do it. So if you look at theirs, they probably, see, they left out a block on the left and started theirs and made it like scale this way and then left a block here. I didn't do that. I just started from the point that I could and made mine, and it still works, okay? That should help. Just read what it's asking you for. Check out your coordinate plane and see what your X and Y axes are labeled, and then fill in the information that you need. And that's how you create your histogram.